Replit or Claude Code? Which one's actually better for coding with AI? Now, most people think that Replit is the easiest choice, but what if I told you that Claude Code can save you some serious money if you're willing to get your hands dirty? Today, I'm gonna break down key differences between the two and show you how you can save money if you just learn how to deploy things yourself. Let's get it rolling. So here's the deal. Replit is like a coding sandbox in the cloud. It does everything from an AI agent that helps you vibe code to hosting to deployment. It's plug and play, everything in one. But it can get costly in production environments. Claude Code, on the other hand, it's just the AI brain. No hosting, no built-in environments. It writes, it explains, it improves code, but you handle the deployment yourself. So one of these is a convenient all-in-one platform, whereas the other is just an AI superpower that you can integrate yourself. Now, here's the key differences. Cost. Replit's free to start, but costs do scale fast for hosting and AI use. You're paying for convenience here. Claude Code, it's basically free to test if you wanted to prompt Claude and then throw that output into your IDE. But if you want to use the power of Claude Code in your terminal that you can talk to and it can vibe code with you, you do have to pay that $20 a month fee for the Plus subscription with Claude. Now, already out the gate, that's $5 cheaper per month just going with Claude. 2 is control. Replit is a managed environment, less to think about, but you're locked into their ecosystem. Claude, on the other hand, gives you full flexibility. You can run it locally, deploy anywhere, and own your setup. So which one should you pick? Now, if you just want to deploy something quick, today, easy, Replit by far is the easiest choice, hands down. However, if you want long-term cost control and don't mind a little extra setup, Claude Code is the way to go. And here's the key. Claude can actually generate all of the deployment scripts that you need, as well as to-do lists, and it'll teach you every single line item on that to-do list. It will hold your hand and walk you through the deployment process. So you don't need to be a DevOps expert, right? You could, in theory, if you're resourceful enough and you've never deployed a thing, all you got to do is talk to Claude and it will teach you what to do and how to do it. And a fun little thing I've been doing is taking screenshots anytime I hit a roadblock and I haven't analyzed that screenshot and let me know what direction to go in. It's pretty nifty. So here's one more key comparison. If you do the math, 100 checkpoints for Replit, right? And now it has this kind of like effort-based system, which could cost you more, versus 200 prompts to Claude Code per day if you max out each 5-hour block allowance, 6,000 prompts a month versus 100. That is an insane difference. So if you're very serious about building and you want to save as much money as possible, chances are you know how to deploy or you want to learn. I would go with Claude. Now, let's move on to our demo. We're going to paste this prompt into both. Now I'm giving away the sauce here. This is actually a tool that I've been working on. I'm not going to show you my specific app because I've put so much time into it, but it is going to be a completely free resource for you to use. So I'll let you know when that's live. In the meantime, if you don't want to miss a beat right now, the best way to stay tuned with everything I'm working on is just subscribe to this channel and I'll make sure you know about it. All right, let's check out this preview before we approve it. I gotta say, it actually looks good. I'm impressed. Okay, so it's still doing its thing. Oh, it added quite a bit more content. I thought it was just gonna keep it very, very simple. I liked just hook and free analysis. Like, cool, all of these details, awesome, but Who knows? Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about here. Maybe this is the ideal way to approach this. I would imagine how it works goes above the free analysis, but what do I know? I want to transition over to Claude and give it the same prompt. I've already set up a new project here, and I'm just going to paste in the same prompt. So it doesn't generate a preview for us, right? So that's one of the things where, you know, Replit does have the upper hand if you want to see a preview before you approve the project. And I'm going to shift tab to speed this up so it approves all. Kind of preview of what the same prompt gives you. I like them both, but what I would probably do is incorporate some of these features from Replit's output into Claude's generated layout, because I really love the layout from Claude more as I've had some time to really look at it. I'd probably move this free analysis near the top though. Oh, so it did create subdirectories. It's not all one page. Interesting. Interesting. I'd probably call this how it works, because people are always curious about how it works. Okay, this would definitely require some kind of fine tuning, but as you can see, it spit out something just as good, if not better, depending on your preference. And yeah, that's a wrap. Now, this is no shade to Replit. I think their product is spectacular, similarly lovable and Bolt, right? They all fit under the same category. They simplify coding and deployment and execution for MVPs and prototypes for everyday folk, right? You don't have to learn how to code. You don't have to learn how to set up your hosting platform. You don't have to learn GitHub. You don't have to learn any of that. Very easy to use. But as a, I guess now retired network engineer, for me, deployment's easy. And I know that's not the same for everybody. So please take this video with a grain of salt. If you're not willing to go through the stress, I'm going to air quote that. Once you learn it, it's not stressful. But once you go through the growing pains of deployment, you find it's very, very easy. So Claude Code for me is the clear winner, especially comparing the 6,000 to 100 prompts per month. That is just right there. That should encourage you to learn how to deploy. It really should. So, but from that perspective alone, Claude Code wins 10 times out of 10 for me. All right, so TLDR, Replit, it's fast, it's convenient, but it will get pricey down the road. But for Claude Code, it's a bit more setup up front, but it's way cheaper and way more flexible. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video about a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.